We will show you how to correctly interconnect premium server RSF racks into a row. First, let's take a look at what we need to do on the columns inside the racks. We will need connecting kit and 3mm hex key. Remove the plastic hole plugs from the front and back columns that we will be connecting together. Push the plugs out from the inside. Place the racks close to each other so that the openings are opposite. Insert a bolt from one side and manually screw on a wing nut from the other. Do the same to secure all the connecting holes. Racks from the Premium series can also be interconnected at the top plate of the rack. We will need connecting kit and 4mm hex key. Place the racks close to each other so that they're aligned. Take a flat connecting piece and screw it onto the top of the racks at the front and the back.